Fidget trading with my bestie. Let's go.
I'll offer this.
Okay, I guess I'll give you this poppet.
You're gonna have to add.
Oh my gosh. How about this puzzle tangle?
Sure.
Okay. Take your stuff. This round, I think I'll offer this poppet.
I'll offer this, and I'll also offer.
You have so many fidgets. Just choose something.
I'll offer this.
You're gonna have to add.
That too. Oh god. I'm gonna have to offer this limited edition Vito.
Okay. Let's see. Since that's purple, I guess I'll do around here. How about this purple
You're gonna have to
dimple
add.
spinner? But it spins. It's limited edition and legendary.
That does not look as limited
Okay,
edition.
fine. I'll add these purple fidget spinners.
You're still gonna have to add.
I'll even give you this Hatchimal.
You're gonna have to add.
Oh my gosh. How about this legendary purple bouncy ball?
A bouncy ball isn't really a fidget. Add.
Oh my gosh. How about this baseball stress ball? And please don't decline. I'll even give you a snapper.
Okay, fine.
Yes. Offering up this dimple spinner.
I'll trade you these sticky spike balls.
Add a little bit.
This puzzle ball.
You're gonna have to add one more thing.
This unicorn.
Fine.
Ow.
Bro, this unicorn's defected. What the heck? Offering up this chick mochi and a Santa Claus. What are you doing over there?
Trying to figure out what I'm gonna offer.
Um,
I'll offer these three.
bet. What is this? That's all the
Bye,
fidget
guys.
trading for today.
Bye,
Bye.